Number 5. ONEXPlayer. The ONEXPlayer is a handheld game console that promises to be the most powerful one on the market. It has a large 8.4-inch IPS display, a Tiger Lake i7 CPU, and Windows 10 operating system. It also has a 15,300 mAh battery and an integrated fingerprint scanner. The device is also comfortable in the hands with both the placement and the responsiveness of the buttons being near perfect. Number 4. Logitech G Cloud Gaming Handheld. The Logitech G Cloud Gaming Handheld is a gaming device that is specifically designed for cloud gaming. It is a handheld that is similar to the Nintendo Switch and is designed to be used with cloud gaming apps. It has a 7-inch multi-touch IPS display and is powered by a Snapdragon 720G processor. It also has 4 GB of RAM and supports haptic feedback and 3D gyroscope. Number 3. FunKey S. The FunKey S is a retro handheld running retro. This is a bit of software which allows you to manage and play all of your old school games. What makes the FunKey S different to some of the best retro handhelds is that fact that it's tiny and has a clamshell aesthetic, just like the Game Boy Advance SP. Number 2. Nintendo Switch OLED. The Nintendo Switch OLED is a great upgrade from the original Switch with a beautiful OLED screen, improved kickstand, and more storage space. However, it is still flawed due to the console's hybrid design. If you dock the Switch OLED, the benefits of the new display, kickstand, and speakers disappear. Therefore, the Switch OLED is best suited for handheld and tabletop mode users. If you're thinking of upgrading from the original Switch, don't expect the Switch OLED to be a huge leap forward. Number 1. Steam Deck. The Steam Deck is one of the best handheld gaming consoles of 2022. It has a 4-core AMD Zen 2 CPU, an 8-core AMD RDNA GPU with 1 GB video memory, 16 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of storage, and a 760 HD IPS display. It is a portable gaming console that encourages their users to stay directly connected to the Steam store and purchase their games. It has a starting price of $399. So there you have it, the 5 best handheld gaming console systems available to buy today. Hopefully, this list gave you a better idea of which handheld gaming device is right for your needs. If you come across any other great devices that aren't on this list, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.